Hi, I'm Tomoko from Tomoko Shima Hair Salon. Curtain bangs are known for the effortless and dainty looks. It can perfectly frame and change your face shape, just like how curtains can change the looks of windows. The good things about curtain bangs is the fact that they are long enough to grow back out, or you can pin it back if you would like. But if you want, you can always cut them shorter. I'll show you how to cut curtain bangs.
Choose the length of your bangs from 1 inch to 2 inches. 1 inch for light bangs, 1.5 inch for medium, 2 inches for thick bangs. I take 2 inches on my bangs. Take a triangular section from the depth that you choose. Make sure that the ends of your section line up with the outside of your pupil near the corner of your eyes. Do the same to the other side. Tie up your hair to avoid cutting unnecessary pieces. Also, you can use clips around your face. Wet the hair evenly and pull straight down. Choose the length, whatever your targeted length is. Spare about an extra inch when cutting. For example, for my hair, I would like it to be at nose length, so I will have to cut it near my upper lip. Divide the hair right at the point of the triangle. First, take the left side of the section and pull it towards the right side like this. Cut 1 inch off the inner part of the section. Make sure to leave the outer pieces alone. Then you will do the same thing to the right side of the section by pulling it towards the left side. Dry completely and use rounded brush to add volume. Take a middle section and lightly clean up the uneven ends. This time, put the scissors straight up and cut the hair in jagged movements. Take a side section and do the same. Take both sides of the bangs and divide the triangle section in half and make the ends shaggy for the side as well. If there is any leftover hair, cut it off. You completed curtain bangs. In my next video, I will show you how to style curtain bangs. I will demonstrate how to use hairbrush and curly iron to achieve the desired look. Thank you for watching my video. Feel beautiful. See you next time.